Ready for a space that sends your dreams soaring? Here are 6 simple ways to inspire your place for dreaming from American Family Insurance. Your home is where you spend a lot of your time, especially if you work from home. It should inspire you from the moment you wake up and all throughout the day. Here are 6 simple ways to upgrade your space. First things first, waking up. You want to enter work mode with a smile already on your face. Try placing a picture of a loved one on your nightstand or moving your bed so the morning sun shines on you when you open your eyes. Next, post a reminder of your goals. We can easily forget why we spend hours in front of laptop screens. Reminding ourselves of our goals can inspire us to achieve them. Try writing your goal on a colorful Post-it note or use an image of your goal as your desktop background. Third tip, display your milestones. You'll be surprised at how your past accomplishments can motivate you when dreaming for the future. Hang those accomplishments up, showcase them, even if only to yourself, and take pride in what you've already completed. Fourth, decorate with intent. Upgrading the look of your working space can make you happier. Painting your wall with an accent color or getting a new plant are little additions that can put you in a positive mindset. Moreover, an efficient use of your space can help you get your work done. If your outlet is too far, move your desk a bit. If you're often on video calls, sit in front of a window. The natural light will give you better lighting and won't blind your screen. Next, light up the inspiration. Natural light isn't just good for on-camera meetings. It's also great for your mood. Try to work in a room that has plenty of it. And when the sun goes down, work by soft lights and candles that can keep you motivated yet calm. Finally, designate a special space for dreaming. Even when your home is your office, you can maintain a healthy work-life balance by keeping them separated. Your work area, whether it's a desk or just a chair, is where you pursue your dreams. Your life area is where you can relax with a good book, a binge-worthy show, or even where you make your grocery list. Remember, your space can inspire you to dream bigger and invigorate you as you work to achieve your dreams. And American Family Insurance is here to support each of those dreams. Learn more about how we can help inspire, protect, and restore your dreams at amfam.com.